So I just wanted to share with you some items that was sent to me, like this right here. This is a corn silk brush, and I've got a patty maker right here. So I thought I would share with you this. A couple weeks ago, I had Debra Erickson from The Blind Kitchen on my podcast. I don't know if you listen to that or not, but it was on Apple, Spotify. You can find it. It's episode 48 of the Okie Smokin Podcast. Then she said she is sending me a gift, and did she ever? So I want to show you some of the things that she sent me and explain some of it while I show it. So these things are all from The Blind Kitchen. And Debra Erickson helps those that are blind. She's blind herself. Do grilling and cooking like they used to. So if you lose your vision or something like that, she's got products that can help you. And she sent me some real good stuff that even anybody can use, but it's very useful for those that need it most and unable to see. And you can see these grilling gloves. The reason these are, and if you see my hand here, see how long those are? So those are designed for if flames were to come up, it comes up your arm further. So those are grilling gloves. And I'm going to be using these in videos, so you'll get to see me do so. Here's a patty maker. I got that. Now this is a corn silk brush. Uh, you put your corn through that, takes off the silk. It's pretty cool there. And this right here is the corn cob cleaner. So I'll be using this in a video and we'll see how that does later on. Now this is a real cool item. It's a double spatula. So as you see here, you can get a burger or something and put it under, and when you flip it, you have no worries about whether or not it's going to fall off or where it's going to be, and then you can release it. And well, this is a talking thermometer. Now this is going to be handy for anybody, even in the dark, but this is it right here. I'll use it, like I said, in a later video and see how it works, but it will actually tell you the temperature if you're unable to see the temperature or if it's dark outside. Now this is some grilling glove clips that you can attach one end to, say, your pants or your belt, and the other end to your gloves. And that way, whenever you get done with the gloves, you just attach them to it, and you'll be able to easily find it by just filling and not having to look. You'll know right where it is at all times. This right here is a grill grate. See that nice grate there? Good sized grate. And this right here, which is something she talked about on the podcast, episode 48 of the Okie Smokin Podcast, the grilling basket. So you could put chicken or pork chops in here or something and just lay it down. The heat is going to go completely through this, and smoke, of course, would go completely through this. And then you just can flip it, and I'll use that and show how that's done as well in a later video. So you just flip it, and you know it's flipped. And lastly, she also sent me this skewer, which who don't like these when it comes to barbecue? But this one is even better because, as you see, it has double. So if you're putting, say, some tomatoes or cherry tomatoes or hot dogs, you're going to go through both of them. And then when you flip it, it's going to be flipped perfectly. If you put it through one, it can move around. So that's going to guarantee you get a proper flip on the other side every time. So if you're unable to see, you know that it's been flipped, but it's also going to be handy for anybody. So there you have it. I am super excited for everything she gave me. You can find all her products on theblindkitchen.com. She has the grilling kit on there. Uh, Go there if you wish. You don't have to use my link. There's no affiliate link or anything. Just visit it, theblindkitchen.com. And check it out and see what she has. And I'm going to be using these in my videos upcoming. from time to time. And when I do use one of her products she sent me as a gift, I'll be sure and let you know.